Hello everyone. Let's start with our next topic, that is work done in rotating an electric dipole in an electric field. Means suppose we have an electric dipole, this minus q and plus q, which is kept at an angle theta with an electric field E as shown in the diagram, and the distance between these two charges in the electric dipole is 2L. Then we have to determine the work done which is required to rotate this electric dipole from the direction of electric field to an angle theta with it. Means we are considering that dipole is kept aligned with the direction of electric field initially, and then it is rotated by an angle theta. So what amount of work done is required to rotate that dipole in this electric field? So let's start with the torque. If dipole is kept at an angle theta, then the torque on the dipole will be tau is equal to Pe sine theta. Initially, we are considering that dipole is rotated by an angle d theta, then the smaller work done will be tau into d theta. Just like the formula of work done is force into displacement, another formula of work done is torque into angular displacement. This formula belongs to the rotational motion. When any body performs rotational motion, then the formula of work done becomes torque into angular displacement. Now on placing the value of tau, dw will be equal to Pe sine theta d theta. In next line I said on rotating it by angle theta, then work done will become integration Pe sine theta d theta from 0 to theta. As I told you, initially dipole is considered to be situated parallel to the direction of electric field. So initial angle is theta and final angle is initial angle is 0 and final angle is theta. Pe is constant, so integration sine theta is minus cos theta with limits. Then minus is taken out, so it is minus Pe and cos theta with limits. On placing the limit, w is equal to minus Pe upper limit cos theta minus lower limit cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, so it is minus Pe cos theta minus 1. On introducing this minus sign inside the bracket, it will become w is equal to Pe 1 minus cos theta. That is the expression of work done in rotating an electric dipole by an angle theta in an electric field. There are two small cases. If dipole be rotated through 90° from the direction of field, means initially it is kept again parallel to the electric field and then it is rotated by 90°, then work done will be Pe, only Pe. And in next case, if dipole is rotated through 180° from the direction of field, then theta will be 180°, and then w is equal to Pe 1 minus 1 minus minus 1. So it is w is equal to 2Pe. In that case, this is all for this derivation. Thank you.